Hello everyone, myself Nikita Keshav Khande. Today I am discuss about the object-oriented programming system OOPS in Java. So first of all discuss about the what is the OOPS. OOPS means object-oriented programming language. It is used to the code reusability and code security. OOPS object-oriented programming language. It is divided into two parts. It is the code reusability and code security. Then code reusability it is the two part inheritance and polymorphism, and code security it is there are two type there encapsulation and abstraction. So let's about the discuss by one. First of all, the inheritance. One parent class and one child class, it is also known as the inheritance. Inheritance there are five type. There are single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. So the inheritance it is divided by two parts. It is use inheritance and unused inheritance. Then use inheritance is the single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multi-level inheritance. It is the use of the inheritance. Then next discuss about the unuse of the inheritance. It is the two part. Unuse of the inheritance it is the hybrid inheritance and multiple inheritance. So let's discuss one by one inheritance. So first of all discuss about the single inheritance. Single inheritance it is used to the one parent class and one child class. It is also known as the single inheritance. Example of the vehicle and bike. Next discuss about the multi-level inheritance. There are the chain of the inheritance. It is also known as multi-level inheritance. It is the known as the multi-level inheritance. Let's discuss example of the vehicle, bike, sport bike, and commuter bike. Then discuss about the hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance when two or more combination of the inheritance. It is also known as the hierarchical inheritance. Then discuss about the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance it is the Java does not support due to multiple inheritance because of the ambiguity. Next discuss about the hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance it is the combination of the two or more type. It is also known as the hybrid inheritance. Then discuss about the polymorphism. Polymorphism is derived from two Greek words, poly and morph. Poly and morph. Poly means many and morph is form. So polymorphism it is also known as many form. Polymorphism it is also known as the many form. Then discuss about the type of polymorphism. It is the method overloading and method overriding. It is also known as the compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. First discuss about the compile time polymorphism. It is used to the method overloading. Same method name but different same signature but different parameter. It is also known as the method overloading. Then discuss about the method overriding. It is the runtime environment. It is the same method name but different argument. It is also known as the method. It is also known as the method overriding. So next discuss about the code security in the OOPS concept. It is the abstraction and encapsulation. First discuss about the abstraction. First discuss about the abstraction. Abstraction is the hiding the implementation and show only functionality. It is also known as the abstraction. Abstraction it is divided into two parts: abstract class and interface. So first discuss about the abstract class. Abstract class it is also known as abstract keyword. It is the abstract and non-abstract method. It is used to the 0 to 100% in the achieve of the abstract class. and then discuss between the interface. Interface is the 100 to 0% is the achieve the abstraction. So next discuss about the encapsulation. Encapsulation is the static of the final and used to the data is the getter method. It is used to the it is also known as the encapsulation. Encapsulation is used to the getter method, setter method, security and the enhanced performance. It is all divided by the inheritance. Then about the inheritance is a relationship, abstraction, polymorphism, and encapsulation. It is the all part. Then discuss. Then used to the then you. It is all about the object-oriented programming language. So thank you all of you.